Okay, now that we have the chicken in the oven, we're going to go ahead and start making the black bean and cumin rice. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of garlic. So we're going to come over here and we're going to trim these down. We're going to cut off the ends and then mince. Now we're going to cook this in the same pot that we're going to make the rice in. Normally if you're going to saute garlic and seasonings, you would do it in a separate pan and then bring it to the rice. But this was actually, in this dish, we're going to cook it right with the rice. Alright, so in our pot we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to make sure that the bottom is covered. Then we're going to come back over here and add our garlic.